Wagwan everybody, my name is Kim Kennedy and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a nail video. I actually wanted to try and attempt to do my nails during this quarantine. Now we are going to be doing some dip powder nails from Model Ones, and this is what the pack is looking like. I've had this pack for a good little while now because a long time I want to try out or something, yeah. And I'm just getting around to trying it. So it comes with instructions, so you should be good. Um, it comes with a brush to brush off the dip powder every time you dip it. And I must say that the brush is really soft and it feels really good on the hand. And the studs that are on the handle, they're not protruding, so they're not cut you or anything, but it feels really good. Now, as you know with dip powder, or if you don't know, now you know, it comes with a 3-step liquid thing that you use when you are doing the dip. So it comes with the base, that is what you put on your hand, on your fingernails first. Number 2 is the activator, that is what you put after you do all of the dip powder rounds. And number 3 is the gel top coat, just to give you a nice little shine on your fingernails them when you're done. Alright, so this particular kit came with 6 colors. Now, the colors don't have any names on it, unfortunately. The first one that you saw had no name. I didn't show that. This is the second one, 001. That's the clear base. 002 is like a pinkish, a pinkish color. This one without any name now is more like a brownish, mauvish color. This 004 is a nice purplish kind of glitter. And this one, you're not seeing the glitter in it, but it has glitter, and it is 005. So there's no name on it, which is kind of a disappointment. I didn't really like that. But I like the fact that they came with 2 extra brushes, just in case your brush them get messed up. You have 2 extra brushes for your thing. Now in my kit, this is what I got. That is a nail brush, a nail file. These are what I will be using to do the dip powder nails. Just a random nail file I found in my house. This is a cuticle pusher. I really like this pusher. I like the material it's made from. This is a cuticle trimmer. I really like this. It's easy to trim your cuticles with that cuticle trimmer. Some nails because I wanted to put on some extension, kind of look cute in the quarantine. Some Q-Tex, some cotton, and some super glue. Yes, I use super glue to attach the nails onto my hand. That means the nail tech them use, so that me ever use. Right. Now I first started by pushing my cuticles back, because based off of all the videos I've watched on YouTube, in order to get a very nice manicure, you have to push cuticles them back so the manicure can come out looking neat and nice. So that is what you see me doing. Also, on a side note, I don't want nobody come from my fingernail them and the color of my fingernail them from a barn or some fingernail them stay. I'm sorry if you don't like them. I'm not deficient in anything. I don't know why they look like that, but I just some barn or some grow or some fingernail them look. Right, so after I pushed back the cuticles, I began using the cuticle cutter to cut off my cuticles. And to be honest, this was the most fun I've had since doing my nails. I don't do my nails often, but when I'm doing my nails and I get to this part, it's really nice, and I really show you it in real time, so it kind of ASMR-ish. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like cutting your cuticles, or if you cut your cuticles any at all. You have some philosophies that say don't cut your cuticles, and some say cut it. At this point in time, I am just cutting it, just to see if I can get a nice, neat and clean manicure. So I brush off the excess dust. I did that to both hands. I'm gonna brush off the excess dust. And now I'm going to be filing my nails to the perfect shape. All I am doing with this file is kind of roughing up the nail bed of my nails, and also I'm going to be using the file to shape my nails for the false nails. So that is what you see me doing here. And I don't know if anybody is wondering why it is that I'm showing all of these steps. But I'm really showing you all of these steps because I want to know what it is that I am doing wrong and why it is that this is happening to me. I don't know what I did wrong, and if there are any professionals out there or anybody that has done dip nails before or anybody that has used this particular brand before, because it could be the brand, you never know. Let me know in the comment section down below what it is that I'm doing wrong, or let me know if you have tried this and the same thing happened to you, or just let me know let us just have a quick talk in the comment section down below about this whole process. So what you see me doing now, I put some Q-Tex on cotton and I rub off the excess dust off of my nails, and this is what my nails are looking like. Not too bad, not too damaged, it's just right. I didn't want it to be too rough. So anyways, I'm using the super glue on the nails and I am attaching them. I had pre-selected the nails that I needed already. Now this was a whole process because first of all, them nails there never fit my nail bed. I had to file some down. I have to do a lot of things. So this process wasn't the most fun for me. But I really liked how it came out in the end when I attached the nails. So I use the super glue and attach the nails, and now I am cutting them down to the size that I would like them to be. Now I'm not a long nails type of girl. I am so sorry. I can do a lot of things in long nails and I'm not gonna try it right now. I'm a person who love cook on my yard and my man love him dumpling, and yeah, long nails and dumpling no mix. So me really have to do my nails short because I feel like a real handicap whenever me have long nails. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you team short nails or are you team long nails, team claw, team, yeah, if you dep on a team, me dep on team short nails, team natural nails, team cook your man food with short nails, that team that me dep on. So what you see me doing right now, I am filing the nails to the desired shape, to the desired length, and I'm also trying to mix the nails in with the nail bed. So I am gently filing them again onto my nail bed, and this is how they came out. They look really cute as far as I'm concerned, and they look really, really natural. I really liked how I was able to shape these nails to perfection. I'm not telling a lie, but do a really good job. Look on the nails them. It's almost as if it's my nails. Them nails that look good, nobody can tell me nothing. Right, so now we are ready to dip our fingers into the dip powder. Now I was going to do an accent nail, a glitter accent nail, but I say maybe that's a little bit too advanced for me right now. Let me just stick with one color. So I decided to just stick with white. All right, follow me. This is where everything will come into place. Follow me now. I took number 1, base, and I'm showing you how I do this on one nail in real time. I put, and I'm gonna see everything on me I do so you can tell me what it is that I did wrong. I put the base onto the nail, right? I'm gonna never wait long. I'm gonna try not to get it on my cuticles or on my skin. Then I took the base powder. This is not the white. There's actually a base powder, the first one that I showed you. The base powder is what it is that you, according to them instructions, you put on your nail first before you apply the color or anything. Now, I dip my finger into the base and look at that. That is perfection. That really looks good. And I was very pleased, and I thought that everything would come together as neat as how the base come together on my thumb. All right, so I am doing it on all 10 of my nails now, one time. And I must say that between the base powder and the white powder, the base is finely milled, and I really love the texture and the consistency of that powder. And you know, the base powder was a dream to work with. Okay, so I'm putting the base powder all over my nails, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute. Just hold on with me and follow me along this journey. This is perfection. This looks so good. This is looking really nice when you compare it with my other nails that I didn't do as yet. It is looking really good, and I was feeling really good within myself that this is actually gonna turn out so good, and I was feeling very happy. I mean, I take the time and do my nails, and I brush it off gently. I'm brushing it off gently with the brush that they provided, and I am moving on to the color now. So this is how it is looking like right now without with just one coat. I take my little time and I'll put one coat on, and I'm about to do another coat. I was just so excited. I just went in with the second coat immediately after I did the first coat, because I said, all right, let me just do one nail and then I will do another nail. I will do the other hand at another time. I wanted to do all of one hand first and then go on to the other hand, and that is exactly what I did. Alright, so this is what two coats of the white is looking like, and I'm comparing it with both hands. That is 2 coats of the white, 1 coat of the base, and this is where I'm finished with all hands. I'm finished with both hands, and this is what my nails are looking like right now. I just wanted you to see what exactly is going on. It's looking lumpy, but I'm feeling confident that all I need to do is file it. Right, so I am brushing off everything with the brush that they provided. And I am now applying number 2, the activator. I found that this was very light, so I needed to put it into the bottle a lot more. I'm not sure what, I think this actually dries the dip powder so that I am able to buff it. So I put it on all 10 fingers. And tell me why. Listen, my battery died, so I couldn't get to show you guys the full filing process. But I take the cheap little file and I file the nails. Tell me why only one nail work out. Tell me why as I file everything, so everything will crumble up all over me. Tell me what happened, because I don't know what happened. You guys are the professionals. When you do this on a regular, let me know what happened. Let me show you what's going on. I am filing this finger now just for the purposes of this video. And I'm wondering if there's something wrong with my file. Is my file too heavy? And that wasn't even the rough side. Tell me why, as I am filing it, everything is coming off, and this is what my nails are looking like. It is like rubber coming off of my fingernails. It was very rubbery, and I was very disappointed. All of my hard work went in vain, and I didn't like the way how my nails came out, and I was very disappointed. Let me know in the comment section down below what I did wrong, because I don't know what I did wrong. And guess what? I tried to salvage these nails. There will be a part 2 to this video So stay tuned for part 2 to see how best I try to salvage these nails. You're not going to want to miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Enough love, big up yourself. Stay tuned for part 2.